In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build image placeholders that preserve crop and aspect ratio in PowerPoint. This technique is incredibly useful for ensuring consistency across your presentations and will save you a lot of time when you're working with multiple images. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. First, start by launching PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll need to decide on the object you wish to resize or reposition within your presentation. This could be a shape, an image, or even a text box, depending on what you plan to include in your slide. Next, we need to navigate to the Slide Master. To do this, go to the View tab at the top of your screen and click on Slide Master. This will open up a series of options that allow you to edit master slides and layouts. Working in the Slide Master ensures that changes you make here will apply to all slides using this layout. To maintain your existing templates without altering the original designs, it's a good idea to insert a new layout. Simply go to the Slide Master tab and click on Insert Layout. This helps you create a blank canvas to work with, offering you the freedom to customize it as you see fit. With the new layout selected, stay in the Slide Master tab. Here, you'll find the option to insert a placeholder. Click on Insert Placeholder, and then choose Picture. This is the kind of placeholder you'll use for images, ensuring they automatically align within the space you define. Now, you'll want to click and drag your cursor to draw the placeholder to your desired size and aspect ratio on the slide. Think of this as the frame that all future images will fill. By setting this up, you ensure all images you insert in this placeholder will be uniform in size and perfectly cropped. After you've done that, it's essential to rename this new layout so you can easily find it later. To do this, right-click the new layout in the thumbnail pane on the left side of your screen and select Rename Layout. Give it a meaningful name that you'll remember, something related to the purpose of this layout. When you're satisfied with your new layout, go back to the Slide Master tab and click Close Master View. This action will take you back to your regular working environment where you edit your slides. Now it's time to apply your newly created layout. In Normal View, navigate to the Home tab, click on Layout, and select your custom layout from the options provided. Finally, you're ready to add your image. Click the picture icon in your newly crafted placeholder and select an image from your computer. Notice how PowerPoint automatically fills the placeholder, cropping your image to match the defined aspect ratio. This ability to maintain consistent visual elements across slides is what makes this process so powerful. And there you have it. You've successfully created an image placeholder that preserves crop and aspect ratio in PowerPoint. Try it out and enjoy a more streamlined, professional-looking presentation. Thanks for watching.